greetings to our doctor and everybody else. I hope everybody else always stays safe and always be at the best health possible at this current world situation right now. Before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce my team. Me myself, Gifani Joel Dapanis. Next is Sharvin, Muhammad Afizol, Muhammad Shafiq, Ashraf Izhan, and Muhammad Zekri. So our team basically want to be involved in the gaming credit and top-up service industry. Basically, this is industry that involved with the e-sport or gaming world. This is basically the BMC cover that we all already studied for. The product, gaming credit at the cheapest rate in Malaysia with efficient services. Well, why us? We can see here because have you ever felt like you did not get the maximum outcome service for what you pay for? Have you ever felt like purchasing something but you didn't want to pay extra bucks for digital item? Because you feel it is ridiculous. Gaming credit take hours or day to success and it is so late that you cannot wait. Well, worry less, our team strives to provide the most cheapest gaming credit and the most fastest service within minutes to arrive. Got other shops sell cheaper than us? Well, contact us. We will show who's the cheapest king. Basically, our team goal in value proposition is to be the company that sell the cheapest product, the same product as the other company, but still at the cheapest product in order to compete with them in terms of pricing and maybe services. Not maybe, but it is. We will strive to sell the cheapest product, but also for ourselves that we will still get a high profit because we already plan a strategy for us to sell this kind of thing and also giving the best services ever in order to show them that every customer that refer to us is very important to us as how we are important to them. Next is customer segment. Who are they? Why them? Well, we can clearly say that we aim the professional gamers and everyday gamers. Basically everybody that use mobile gaming as their gaming platform. We have two kind of lists that we put: top ranking and non-top ranking. Top ranking is the professional gamer and streamer as they tend to buy a lot of gaming credit in order to increase their streaming quality, and for professional gamers that involved in esport competition often which they want to buy certain things as they have the financial access, while the non-professional gamers, which is everyday gamers who just essentially play games, but sometimes we cannot lie that we want to buy something in game because we want, even though we don't need it, but we feel like we want it. Or less, our company will give you a product, a package that is very cheap, but they get something in return that is so big that they feel like it is very worth it to buy because they didn't find this at any other shop that has the same product. This needs to be done so that every single person that making a purchase with us will feel like we are the one shop that is different from the other shop, that they want to stay with us and become our loyal customer. Next, we're gonna talk about the channels. Basically, we have three main way on making a payment, which is online banking, mobile credit, and credit cards. Online banking, as we all already been familiar for, which is the fastest and easiest checkout within minutes, because you play games with your mobile phone, you can also pay with your mobile phone. Mobile credit, because you use mobile phone, you have SIM card that didn't use any internet, but instead maybe you use Wi-Fi. So maybe each month you only need to pay the top up in order to not get your SIM card to be expired. So maybe you keep that inside your phone. Instead of wasting it, you can use it instead to buy gaming credits. And credit cards allowing faster checkout. This is mainly for people who always pay with credit card and they already comfortable with credit cards. Three main way, but one same service. Always the fastest service that can rely to.
I'm gonna present about the customer relationship. Today there are 4 customer relationship. So the first one is ADS and promotion. ADS is to attract customers by tagging a strategic text in each product to manipulate online shop algorithm that leads to become the first pop-up in any gaming search. Special promotion with multiple testimonies to increase the enhance a chance of getting new customer. So the second one is the customer social group. So creating a social group that consists of the same customer interests with our team admin, allowing information sharing about the game credit and gaming stuff in order to create a loyal stable customer. So the third is the special price and giveaway from milestones customer, offering special monthly package for long following customer and other limited discount. Giveaway in categories that involves both spending customer and random giveaway for random winner that spend specified amount of minimum gaming credit. So the last one is the rank customer system. So the making a rank customer system which enable different admins to different rank of customer in order to establish the most fastest service to all customer. On a customer perspective, building a sense of respect between customer and seller that leads to support and loyalty.
Revenue streams are the various sources from which a business earns money from the sale of goods or the provision of services. The type of revenue that a business records on its account depend on the type of activities carried out by the business. Generally speaking, the revenue accounts of retail businesses are more diverse as compared to businesses that provide services. There are many types of revenue streams, so we'll be looking at revenue from goods, sales, or service base. This is the core operating revenue for a business, and it is usually given a specific name such as sales revenue or service revenue. And we'll be using a transaction-based revenue, where proceeds from sales of goods that are usually from one-time customer payments. So we'll be using economic pricing, penetration pricing, and skimming pricing, which means we'll be selling the product with a wafer thin margin, and we'll be targeting the mass market and the high market share. And by setting the price to the lowest possible amount possible without getting any loss, we'll be inducing rapid market share, which will lead to the gaming credit with several modifications made to be made into a product and not just as a mass production unit. And besides that, by skimming the price, that means our prices will be still higher and with a profitable amount, but still lower than that of the competitor, which allows us to get a maximum of profit from the selling trends. And when the competitor drops the price, we will also drop the price, so we will have a consecutive consistent lowest price in all market for the same product. At this rate, we will be recycling or cycling back to the first point, which is economic pricing.
Three key resources for our business project. Firstly, product supplier. Secondly, active team by shift. Thirdly, high technology device and comfortable office. Product supplier. Maintain stable supply of product to always be ahead in terms of stock towards other competitor. Active team by shift. Enable continuous fast service of gaming credit service for 24 hours and 7 days a week. High technology device and comfortable office. Enable fast process and did not make technical issue as an excuse since fastest technology service require fastest technology device.
Okay, next is the key partner. Key partner is anything such as government, non-government, individual or association that helps you to make the business model works. For us that sell the game credit in top-up service, our key partner is partnership with individual that have high influence in gaming scene, such as famous streamer and famous gaming organization. Game credit such as UC for PUBG Mobile and Diamond for Mobile Legend Bang Bang. There's so many streamers that can help us to promote this game credit such as of course the most famous streamer in Malaysia, Solos, Fredo, and many more. uh, the job of this partner is to promote and encourage viewer to use our product in period of contract. So what is the benefit of this partner is the partner will get a free gaming credit in certain amount as a one of the payment. As we know today, there's so many famous Instagram accounts, so they can use their account to promote our product, and then paid they get paid such as they will get game credit or top up for free. How about top up service? Actually, top up also can be used to buy game credit. Yes, so that the viewer will buy top up service from us, and then they also buy game credit from us. So this is what the use of key partner in this scene. Thank you.
So the next is key activities. Well, for key activities or things that we add to our values or consists of 3 main points to boost our sales, which is the first is 24 hours a day and 7 days a week of customer service. Our team understood that promotions and events that happen in games are very strict in time, so gaming credit pages are likely available for 24 hours a day for all days in the week within a minute of service. We have a product information expert, whereas product information mastery is a must for each member could give the most out of one product and became the gaming credit problem solver in gaming community. And the third is we encourage ourselves a friendly vibe, and with it an existence of a good vibe we could create a good and a comfortable working atmosphere and making customer feels like they are interacting with the actual human rather than robots or artificial intelligence AI, better than actual human that tries to give the best of service. And last but not least, the cost structure are more referred to as the various types of expenses a business incur. So in order to maximize the profits of our business gain, we estimated that a fixed cost, which is electric cost, for electrical component usage that contains monthly subscription Wi-Fi will cost 20%, and another 40% is for the payment for partnership and emergency money for gaming credit errors, or such as entering a wrong account ID, or something like that will occur.